Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to add a button in Canva. First, open your design. On the left side, you'll find the Elements tab. Click it, then search for Button to explore many shapes and styles. Once you find one you like, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. It's a straightforward process to get started with interactive elements. Once your button is on the canvas, customization is easy. Select it to access the toolbar. Here, you can change its color to match your brand, resize it to fit your layout, and choose a font for your text. Add clear call-to-action text like "Download now" and adjust its position for perfect alignment. Make it visually appealing and effective. Now, let's make your button functional. With the button selected, look for the link icon, which often looks like a chain. Click it, and a field will appear where you can paste your desired URL. This could be a website, a document, or another page within your Canva design. Always test your link in preview mode to confirm it works as intended. For a professional touch, consider grouping your buttons with surrounding text or images. Maintain consistent button styles throughout your project for a cohesive look. While Canva's Direct Website Builder offers interactive buttons, for other exports like PDFs, ensure your links are embedded correctly. When exporting, choose a format that supports clickable links, such as a PDF or a Canva website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.